Hi, this is the iPhone 15 and I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on this device. So if you use the screen recording option and you don't know how to change the sound settings, I'll show you now how to do that. So first we should add the screen recording icon here to our control panel. To do that, we should just open the settings, then tap the control center and find here from more control section this screen recording. Tap to this green plus. Now screen recording icon is included to your controls. So after that, just open your control panel and you'll see here this record icon. Just tap on it to start the screen recording and hold it for a while. After that, you'll see here a microphone section. Just click to turn on the microphone or to turn it off. So by this way, you could command something in your screen recording. When you'll turn it off, you'll record the mute videos. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.